news update. First item, my Thursday video, if you're a subscriber you would have seen, I found a quick way of getting into the software version numbering. I thought it was pressing media and setup, but if you press and hold just setup long press, that's all you need to do, so that's quicker than I thought it was. Thanks to Owen Waters on my comments for that one. I should have tested it a bit more, shouldn't I? The latest software update, as well as fixing the remote AC bug, also fixes the charging schedule bug that's been around for a while and it wouldn't keep. Charging schedule. You set all this in the EV menu, so you set departure time and it works out how long you've got to charge for. So it wasn't keeping that schedule, but I've read on various forums that it is now. The latest on my amp replacement, I've not heard anything else, so I'm still on for replacement in October, which is a terribly long wait. I did a bit more research, so I can show you a picture of the actual part and where it's located. It's actually under the back seat, under all of the bits of carpet. I'll put a picture up, you can see, I think it's the inverter, and it's on that side, on the passenger side on the UK car. There's also, I've got a link to the full version of this tech support bulletin about what they look for to test and check it, and as I say, I'll put the link in the description for that one. Next item, on one of the UK Facebook groups, the EV6, someone reported that Kia UK told them to not use the gunk that comes in the tyre mobility kit because it messes up your tyre from being repaired. The problem is these things have never been good for repairing any tyre, and they stop the tyre from actually being repaired. It's okay to use the compressor that's built into the kit to pump the tyre up, but the gunk has always ended up screwing your tyre up. With the EV6 tyres, you've actually got foam-lined tyres to deaden the sound, and that makes it more complicated to repair. So it's not very good that Kia are shipping a kit that's not fit for purpose and not really letting you know about it, but I'm letting you know about it. There is a technical operations bulletin for repairing the tyres, which I'll put a link to, and it's quite detailed and takes you through what the tyre services should do, because some tyre services will refuse to repair foam-lined tyres, but it's just nonsense really. This guide takes them through what they need to do. So I think it's worth downloading this PDF and printing it out. So I'll put a link to that in the description.